Imagine a tiny herb that not only flavors your dishes but also heals your body. Ajwain or Trachyspermum ammi is a powerhouse of health packed with benefits you may not know. But here is the kicker. It's incredibly easy to grow at home. Want to know how? Stick around because by the end of this video you will become an Ajwain expert. Let's dive in. Welcome to Tracking Nature. Today we are exploring Ajwain, a herb with deep roots in Ayurveda and modern kitchen alike. Known as carom seeds in English, Ajwain has been treasured in India, Iran and Egypt for thousands of years. But did you know this herb is more than a flavor enhancer? What's your favorite use of Ajwain? Let me know in the comments below. Ajwain or Trachyspermum ammi belongs to the Apiaceae family, making it a relative of parsley, cumin and dill. Its scientific name is Trachyspermum ammi. Its native regions are India and part of Mediterranean, particularly Egypt and Iran. Ajwain thrives in warm climates with plenty of sunlight, which is why it's widely cultivated in India. Its seeds are rich in thymol, the compound responsible for its strong aroma and medicinal properties. Did you know Ajwain seeds are technically not seeds but fruits? Nature's full of surprises. Now let's talk about why Ajwain is a must-have in your kitchen and medicine cabinet. Its digestion. Ajwain helps reducing bloating, gas and acidity. A pinch of Ajwain with warm water works wonder after a heavy meal. Relieves cough and cold. Brew Ajwain tea or simply inhale its steam to clear nasal congestion or soothe a sore throat. Eats pain. Ajwain oil is an excellent remedy for joint pain, arthritis and even muscle cramps. Improves oral health. Its antibacterial properties fight bad breath and oral infections. Boost metabolism. Ajwain can help improve digestion, making it a great addition to weight loss diets. Natural detoxifier. Ajwain tea cleans the body by flushing out toxins. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you are ready to grow your own Ajwain, here is the good news. It's super easy to cultivate. Here are steps to grow Ajwain at home. First, get quality seeds. You can find Ajwain seeds in most garden centers or online. Second step, prepare the soil. Use well-drained, slightly sandy soil. Ajwain loves soil with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. Choose a sunny spot. Ajwain requires 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water sparingly. Overwatering can harm the plant. Water only when the topsoil feels dry. Harvest time. It's about 3 months. You will see small white flowers indicating that seeds are ready to be harvested. Who's excited to start their own herbal garden? If you've already grown Ajwain, share your tips in the comments. Ajwain is not just a medicinal, it's a superstar in the kitchen too. In cooking, add a pinch of Ajwain to parathas, curries or soups for an instant flavor of boost. Its aroma pairs especially with the lentils and fried snacks. Homemade spice blend. Mix roasted Ajwain with cumin and fennel seeds for a digestive spice mix. Traditional remedies. For babies, Ajwain water is often used to treat colic and indigestion in infants. For skin, its antimicrobial properties help treat acne and skin infections. Have you tried cooking with Ajwain before? If yes, what's your favorite dish? Share your recipe below. Here are some fascinating facts about Ajwain that blow your mind. Ajwain seeds contain antioxidants that combat free radicals, slowing down the aging process. Ancient Egyptians used Ajwain as a preservative in food and even as medicine. In Ayurveda, Ajwain is considered a powerful fire element herb, stimulating the digestive system. Ajwain seeds are also used as a natural pest repellent. Sprinkle them around your garden to keep insects away. Which of these facts did you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments. So, there you have it. Ajwain is not just a herb, it's a treasure trove of benefits for your health, kitchen and garden. If you are inspired to grow or use Ajwain, let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed learning about the incredible herb, and share this video with your friends who love gardening or natural remedies. Subscribe to Tracking Nature for more fascinating stories about the plants around us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.